Hi guys, my name is Brianna Holbrook and I am doing my presentation on marriage and family therapy. So, as a marriage and family therapist, I would be meeting with families and couples to help them determine their underlying issues with one another. And in doing so, I would be helping them regain their love for each other, and I would be using counseling techniques that have been researched by psychologists to help build those stronger relationships between people. In this profession, I will be using problem solving skills, information analyzing skills, interpersonal skills, and researching skills. To become a marriage and family therapist, I will need to get my bachelor's degree and a graduate degree. Bachelor's, I will need to get a bachelor's in psychology, sociology, social work, or another related field. And then I will also need my license, Master of Family Therapy, which is 2 years of specialized training in marriage and family therapy, and then 1 to 2 years of supervised practice. And this profession will also will also require me to use research that is up to date. So I will need to constantly be looking into those research methods that have been studied. So my 4-year plan that I did earlier in this course is actually slightly different because I was planning on doing something else. So it's still kind of the same, but basically I will still want to seek out shadowing and volunteer opportunities within my related field while I'm still trying to go for my bachelor's. My graduation date is set up for spring semester of 2020, and I will be majoring in marriage and family studies with an emphasis in advocacy and policy. And after I obtain my bachelor's, I actually am gonna kind of take a pause in my career building process, I guess. So it's kind of a 2.5 year plan right now, but I want to be able to stay home with my kids when they're really little. So that's my plan. And then later on, when I'm ready, I will be getting my license, Master's of Family Therapy. So obviously, I am not majoring in psychology. So when I started this program, I was going to major in psychology, but that changed, obviously. I took this class because I wanted to see what I wanted to do and if I was interested in psychology. That being said, this course has led me in another direction within the same field. I am going to major in marriage and family studies because I am more interested in applying the psychology research to help people in need rather than formulating the psychology research myself. And I want to be able to do the work it takes in order to preserve the family and what it stands for. My reasons for wanting to major in something close to psychology are fairly different from the reasons given in chapter 13 of the textbook. My second reason on the particular list would be number one, but my number one is to help families learn to understand one another and to make a difference in their lives. And that is why I am choosing to do marriage and family therapy. Thanks, guys.